All right, good morning. It is time for your health check, and this week's drama at the Oscars really is shining a light on alopecia. Mark, Kara, can I get a little help over there? Thank you. All right, Jada Pinkett Smith has been living with alopecia, but a lot of people don't know much about the disease. There are different kinds of alopecia, in case you didn't know. And we spoke with a Plano hair transplant surgeon, Dr.Lam, about the different types.
Alopecia areata is an autoimmune disorder, and that's probably what she suffers from what I can gather.
Now, with alopecia areata, the body's immune system attacks its own hair follicles. There are treatment options available, but Dr. Lam says because it's not clear what causes it, experts aren't sure if it's exactly curable. Now, if you are suffering from unusual hair loss, you do want to talk to a dermatologist. Okay, just when you thought we were done with flu season and fully into allergy season, we are seeing a spike in flu cases. It's a pretty unusual time of year. The CDC says typically the season peaks between December and February, but in a lot of areas, flu cases and hospitalizations are climbing. The U.S. recorded an estimated 3.1 million flu cases just this season. The good news is we're still seeing lower numbers than pre-pandemic. It is not too late to get your flu shot. You can get it for free. Of course, if you start to show any flu-like symptoms, stay away from people, stay home. And we've told you all the wildfire smoke across Texas is causing hazy skies in the Metroplex. It's led to some breathing problems as well, particularly for people in Tarrant County. In the last 3 days, MedStar crews have responded to 87 calls for patients with complaints of trouble breathing. 67 people were transported to area hospitals until the smoke clears. Anyone with respiratory issues should stay indoors as much as possible.